Alright guys, I'm going to run this Jim Thome ball here, 2:11 p.m. here in Wisconsin. We're going to go live. We are live. 2:10 p.m. Just clicked over to 2:11. Alright. Grab a list here. Ten spots at 10. We'll drop it in. Alright, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3 is not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 9's good. Here we go. 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next, click top spot. And 9 might be spot 8. You are the winner. 2:11. It's actually going to click over here to 2:12. We are done. We will write done on the post. We are done. 2:11. And like I said, it just clicked over to 2:12. Here's the 2:11 timestamp, and